Welcome to the 2026 Graduation Award and Last Lecture Ceremony. Thank you all so much for being here. My name is Patricia Mariano, and I am part of the 2026 JD graduating class. And I am so excited to help present this year's graduation awards along with my fellow co-hosts, Bryce Collins, who also happens to be my Section 4 classmate, Julieta Bejar, and Chris Lazaruk. We will be presenting the awards to our deserving faculty and student award winners this year, along with the last lecture delivered by our very own Professor Stephen F. Reed. After the last lecture, we will have a reception in the atrium, so please stick around for that. We are looking forward to announcing today's winners, but before I hand it off to my co-host Bryce, I would like to say a few words on behalf of the 2026 graduating class, recognizing our student award nominees and winners from a fellow student's perspective. It is a beloved graduation tradition that the graduating class nominate and vote on the winners of the annual student awards, which recognize students for a range of their accomplishments. I believe what makes these awards so special is that the graduating class is the ones who are nominating and voting on those who will win these awards. This inherently speaks to who we are as a graduating class, because the impact that other students have had on our journey in law school is what makes our experience so special here at Northwestern. I know one of the reasons why I chose Northwestern was because of the people, and I think that this award ceremony tries to recognize those key individuals who have had such a tremendous impact on our campus life. At some point in the next few days before graduation, I would like you to take the time to reflect on the community you have surrounded yourself with here. Remember the memories, remember the laughs, and even the cries. But most importantly, remember the people who you surrounded yourself with during those great moments, because I know I forever will. So now, without further ado, I would like to present my co-chair, Bryce Collins, as he will present the dean.
Thank you. Thank you, and good afternoon. I have the honor to present our dean. So please join me in a warm welcome of Dean Zach Clopton.
Thank you so much, Bryce. And I want to begin with the most important message of the day, which is congratulations to the class of 2026. I don't need to tell you that this week is all about you, an opportunity to celebrate your accomplishments during your time here at Northwestern. And this graduation awards ceremony is a wonderful opportunity for members of our graduating class to recognize their peers and select faculty members. These individuals have been selected from an amazing list of nominees, and I really want to congratulate anyone who is nominated, in addition to those who will receive the awards today. To our faculty, I also want to say thank you for the difference that you make to our law school and to each and every student in this room. And representing our faculty today as part of another time-honored tradition here at the law school will be Professor Stephen Reed, who will be delivering the last lecture. Oh. Each year here at Northwestern, the graduating class votes for a faculty member to deliver a final lecture about their law school experiences. And this year's class has selected Professor Reed. And while the graduation committee will formally introduce him following the awards, I also wanted to personally congratulate him and thank him for delivering this lecture. Before I turn things over to the graduating committee, who did all the real work here, I want to take one more time to say how grateful we are as a faculty and a law school for all that the class of 2026 has contributed to our community. We are both excited for your next steps from here and eager to see the difference you will make in the legal community and beyond. I look forward to recognizing each of you at Convocation on Friday at the Chicago Theater. And again, congratulations to you all. With that, I'd like to turn things back over to the graduation committee to present the awards. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dean Clopton. And now I just want to take a brief moment to congratulate all the parents, family, and support systems that I see today in the room. Congratulations to you too. Thank you so much for supporting us on this whirlwind of a journey that is law school. And now we are going to begin presenting our first award. Our first award goes to the Outstanding Adjunct Professor. This award honors the teaching excellence of adjunct faculty members. Congratulations to this year's award winner, Adjunct Professor and Judge Amy St. Eve. Judge St. Eve cannot be with us today, but she has already accepted our award, and we gladly accept it on her behalf. Our next award goes to the Outstanding First-Year Course Professor. This award was established in 1996 to honor the teaching excellence of faculty members who teach a first-year mandatory course. We would like to proudly congratulate this year's award winner, Professor Bruce A. Markell. And next, we would like to recognize the Outstanding Professor of a Small Class. This award was established to honor the teaching excellence of faculty members who teach classes of limited size. Congratulations to this year's award winner, Professor Leonard S. Rabinowitz. Our next award is the Robert R. Wooton Award. This award is for teaching excellence in the LLM tax program. Honors the teaching excellence of faculty in the area of tax law. Let us please congratulate this year's winner, Professor Genevieve A. Tokic.
Good afternoon, everyone. So the MSL Outstanding Residential Professor honors the teaching excellence of a faculty member teaching in the Master of Science in Law's residential format. Congratulations to this year's winner, Professor Timothy Fry. The MSL Outstanding Online Professor honors the teaching excellence of a faculty member teaching in the Master of Science in Law's online program. Congratulations to this year's winner, Professor Daniel Rodriguez.
It is now my great privilege to recognize the winner of the Robert Childress Memorial Award for Teaching Excellence. The Childress Award was established in honor of Professor Robert Childress, a great law teacher. The award is presented annually to the faculty member selected by the student body as the year's most outstanding teacher. Congratulations to this year's winner, Professor Deborah Turkheimer. Now, the Courage Award is presented to the student who has shown the greatest courage in surmounting obstacles and barriers to entering, remaining in, and completing their education. Congratulations to this year's winner, John Holtgreave.
It is with great pleasure that I will be announcing today the Global Legal Profession Award. It is an award presented to the LLM student who has most exemplified standards of professionalism and has made the greatest contribution to the legal profession. Through sharing professional knowledge, engaging in experimental opportunities, and building global legal networks, congratulations to this year's winner, a great friend of mine, Abi Diop.
The Leadership Award is given to the student who has made the greatest contribution to leadership in the student community. Congratulations to this year's winner, Stephanie Mao. The Legal Profession Award is presented to the student who has made the greatest contribution to professional responsibility and to the practice of law. Congratulations to this year's winner, Kenneth Kavanaugh. The Lee B. Beenan Prize is awarded to the student who has demonstrated excellence in writing and research and intelligence and originality in approach to the topic in a student note or comment in the Journal of Criminal Law and Criminology. Congratulations to this year's winner, Abigail English.
And now we will present the Loudon Wigmore Prizes. The Loudon Wigmore Prizes recognizes students who produced outstanding written contributions to each Northwestern Pritzker Law journal. Congratulations to each year's winner. The first journal, Northwestern Law Journal de Roofs, Mary Sullivan. Now for the Journal of Technology and Intellectual Property, Mark Alinsky. For Northwestern University Law Review, Jackson Roberg Crane. For the Journal of Law and Social Policy, Elizabeth James. For the Journal of Human Rights, Abhishek Chakrabarti. Now for the Journal of International Law and Business, Gianna Flamini. For the Journal of Criminal Law and Criminology, Olivia Babin.
The MSL Residential Student Award is given to the graduating Residel student who, through their impact on the program and in the world, best exemplifies the innovative spirit of the MSL program. Congratulations to this year's winner, my friend, Florence Choa Chen. The MSL Online Student Award is given to the graduating online student who, through their impact on the program and the world, best exemplifies the innovative spirit of the MSL. Congratulations to this year's winner, Rebecca Erickson. The Pike Prize for Excellence in Legal Research and Information was established this year in honor of George Pike, Senior Lecturer and Director of the Pritzker Legal Research Center. Professor Pike created and developed the Research in Law, Business and Technology course for the MSL program, and he taught in the course for 10 years. Professor Pike retired from Northwestern Pritzker School of Law in 2024. We have 2 Pike Prize winners this year, one for the MSL residential program and one for the MSL online program. This award is granted to the most outstanding MSL student enrolled in each of the sections of the Research in Law, Business and Technology course. The Pike Prize recognizes strong academic performance, superb legal research and writing skills, and a collaborative spirit. Congratulations to this year's winner of the MSL residential program, Katie Milos. And congratulations to this year's Pike Prize winner for the MSL online student, Edward Ustinger.
The Service Award is given to the student who has shown the greatest dedication and commitment to public service and the practice of law. Congratulations to this year's winner, Jordan Michelle Plunkett. The Victor Rosenblum Award is given to the LLM student who has done the most to uphold the traditions of the law school. We have a tie this year. Congratulations to this year's winner, Philip Ruchti Blattensberger. He will not be able to join us today.
The Wigmore Key is presented to the student who has done the most to uphold the traditions of this law school. Congratulations to this year's winner, Andrew DeVedron. If you allow me, I'd just like to take a brief moment for some acknowledgments and some thank yous, and I believe I can speak on behalf of all of my fellow classmates and graduates when I say these. First, congratulations to, but also a thank you to our families, our friends, our support systems. You have all played an important role in getting us to this day, and without you, this wouldn't have been possible. Second, a thank you to the faculty and staff of this school, especially for the work being done behind the scenes to ensure that our graduation and all the related events are possible and go off without a hitch. And then finally, to my classmates, thank you for the friendships, the support, the shared experiences, and the memories. I sincerely appreciate each of you, and I hope that sentiment is mutual.